Yama. Hi, I'm Mel. I'm a Gomeroi woman living in Lake Macquarie on beautiful Awabakal country. Evolve Communities has a wonderful program called Reconciliation in 7 Easy Steps. This program is a really amazing way for us to sit together and come together and learn from a place of mutual respect and safety, and it's cultural safety for everybody. What I really love about this model is it is promoting allyship, which is a way forward together. We're sitting in a space, we're sitting in circle, we're yarning, we're sharing information about our shared history of our country, but we're also supporting people to come together and learn of how we can work together as allies. Allyship is the best way forward, and taking these steps together is a courageous move. And what you see when people go through this training and sit with this content, they feel more empowered within themselves. They feel more reassured that there is an understanding. So we're actually meeting together. And when we take steps together, what we can create is something very, very beautiful. So jump on and check out the training through Evolve Communities. I'm sure you'll love it.